Good morning, Chris Vernon with Vernon Litigation Group. This morning I want to talk directly to investors, and I want to use a term, and I'm sure it's used out there, but in my mind I just made it up. It's called groupthink. And what I mean by that, and there's a bunch of different terminology for this, it's where sort of, especially when you have a long-running good economy, a long-running good market, which is generally what we have today since 2009, then you start to get into this group think. And I believe that the group think is worse now than it used to be because you're bombarded 24/7 with business news, investment news on the television and through your phones and through your computers. So you're getting so dialed into that. You're listening maybe to Kramer, you're listening to MSNBC. And you just get so entrenched in this that sometimes you see, there's a couple of old-timey sayings, like you don't see the forest for the trees, you're so into it, or you're like the frog in the pot of boiling water and you don't notice the water heating up. And what I believe you need to do, even though I think it's good to be educated, I'm all about educating the investor, but take a step back occasionally and take a big picture look at your portfolio, at your investments, and make sure that your investments have not drifted from where they really should be using whatever system you believe is the right system, being fundamental analysis, modern portfolio theory, asset allocation diversification, which are traditionally what you should be using. And make sure you haven't drifted or allowed your financial advisor to drift you into a much higher risk position than you should be, even though it doesn't seem risky in this environment, because things can change on a dime, and we learned that in 2008. So let's remember, whatever it is, make sure our money's working for us and not for somebody else. Have a great day.